So I'm a fourth generation Minnesota Swede. I grew up in the Wayzata area and graduated from Wayzata High School. And I'm actually blessed still to live there with my wife. I have 2 children that also live in the area and 5 grandchildren. So we're pretty much Minnesotans for 4 generations. So I spent 10 years on the faculty at the University of Minnesota running the cornea service, was a full professor, had an endowed chair, and then decided to go into private practice. One of the unique things about our practice is that we're very highly skilled and highly trained physicians, but we also continue to teach and we continue to do research, which allows us to access the most current and innovative technologies and provide those actually to our patients. And what I've done is tried to recruit as best I can people smarter and better than I am. So the doctors here are really as good as they get anywhere in the country. I was also the chief of ophthalmology at the Minneapolis VA hospital for 10 years, and it was right after the Vietnam War. And so that was pretty memorable, trying to bring back their vision. And then at that time, we developed a lot of innovations in technology at the University of Minnesota and actually did some of the very first research in the excimer lasers that led to LASIK. And so leading in that area was fun. We also did some of the early research that developed phacoemulsification and the modern style of posterior chamber lens implants. But probably the thing I'm most proud of, besides Minnesota Eye Consultants, is the advanced fellows that we've continued to train. We continue to train young, talented doctors. We take a fellow every year, and those fellows are amongst the best and brightest doctors in many other communities. What I'd like patients to think about me or know about me is that I'm a caring physician and that I'm highly skilled and highly experienced. And I think those are 2 valuable things that I look for in my own doctors. And so I think the first thing patients want to know is that you care. And my style is to be quite caring and compassionate. So one of the things that probably would surprise people about me is that I actually also own and am the chairman and CEO of a construction company. And my father started a family business here in Minnesota after the war, and so we have a family construction business. And it surprises sometimes people when they'll see the Lindstrom restoration trucks going by and then maybe have had me do their cataract surgery or their corneal transplant as well. Both my wife and I are avid in sports, and so we play tennis and we play golf. We have a small dog, so we walk the dog, and we live on the shore of Lake Minnetonka, a beautiful place to be blessed to live. So we are pretty much Minnesotan through and through.